Some horror stories that we have a lot, but I think it's like the nature of doing business in two really busy cities. Lots of things are moving and things are changing, people are making different decisions, but I think some of the horror stories are when we have really tight timelines. So cleaning is one of the last things that people think about when they're opening a new space or an office, that they forget that they need somebody else besides the construction crew to actually clean the place to a professional standard. And so they call us on a Thursday or Friday and the space is opening on a Monday, and somehow we have to get a crew together. Fortunately, we have a lot of workers on our staff who are, committed to us, and so they love working on weekends and taking over those kinds of projects. We're able to pull it together, but those are some of the crazier stories I have, that it's a super tight timeline. We need a bunch of people at a new office or a new retail space that's opening, that has to be open because there's a ton of press around it, and how to get it done. So that's a tough thing to accomplish and to promise and then to actually deliver on.